proving yours.
Cool. Groovy.
This is one of the more when you're doing typically this is the converse, as you notice. Because you're going from usually I can use the parallelogram and then prove that. But this time I'm doing the opposite. I have this and I'm saying to prove the parallelogram. What's the definition of a parallelogram? Yes.
Quadrilateral quadrilateral with two pairs of
Grid angles.
Parallel sides.
Thank you.
Oh,
Is a quadrilateral with opposite sides
are parallel.
Parallel. So at the end, you need to prove to me that the opposite sides are parallel. If you cannot prove that, then it's not parallel again. Alright? So you have to keep that in mind. That's the last thing that we're going to end up with. Do you need me to do the need nor want, or do you want to do the two columns?
Statement, yeah.
The two columns is what you're going to see. Right?
There's only one of these questions, right?
What?
There's only one of these questions?
There's only one of these. Remember,
thank
this
God.
is worth.
Is this worth the most?
No. This is worth the most.
Okay. And
For
that's
tomorrow, your test. I won't ask you all of this. I'm only ask you one of these. I'm gonna ask you like number 2 or number 4.
Okay.
Oh, so we don't do all the
No,
stuff?
that's gonna be too much.
okay.
You never finish the test. It takes you 30 minutes to do that. Okay.
Okay.
What do we know?
AB, side AB and side is congruent to side CD.
Wait, so
And then side BC is congruent to side DN.
Make sure you put your bars on top. Notations key. Don't think that notation.
Yeah.
Okay. This is given to us.
Yes.
It should be two,
Okay, good.
since that's $30, then just.
What else do we know?
ADC is equal to ABC.
ADC is congruent to ABC.
Yeah.
That's angles congruent. That's reflexive. That's not gonna help us yet.
Yeah, because you draw them.
No. That's not a line. That's an angle.
Never mind.
Opposite side of parallel. Right?
That's what we wanted to prove. That's not telling us this. I told you what to do. What's the one thing that you reset?
Diagonal.
Which diagonal do you want?
So DB is reflexive.
Okay. So DB That's reflexive.
How do you know to draw the diagonal that way?
You can do whatever diagonal you want.
You can draw like the other way.
You can do it the other way. You know the angle is going to be congruent to something anyway. From there. From there, what can you tell me? What two triangles are congruent?
DAB and BCD.
Yes.
Can I get this?
Yes.
Yeah?
You can get that
Side.
points. That's what it's harder. That's what makes it harder. Right?
this one didn't put her grade.
So we know A, B, D is congruent to the triangle C, D, B. Okay?
Side.
And that's side.
No.
Now, typically, when they tell you that the sides are congruent, okay, you can tell me something else. What?
Is it that angle BAD and angle BCD are congruent by corresponding parts of congruent triangles?
Yes. You can't tell me that. What Jordan is saying is that this angle A, is congruent to angle C. Everyone agrees with that, right? Agreed.
Can you write that down too?
No.
Did that help you go anywhere?
No.
No.
Wait, Mr. Let's say I drew the line from A to C, and I said triangle ADC is congruent to triangle ABC. That would be correct too?
Yeah, because she
Excuse me?
didn't.
If I drew the line from A to C, and I said...
Yes. You would just your triangle letters would be different.
Okay.
So that's not yes, that's true, George. I'm not saying it's true. But is that going to help us? Is that moving us anywhere? No. But what else do you know about this figure?
Nothing.
The eyes. George said the whole point of CPCTC is corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So everything about those triangles are congruent, correct?
Okay.
Angle D is congruent to angle D.
Angle D is not congruent to angle D.
It's congruent to angle B.
Angle CDB is congruent to angle ABB, right?
Yeah. But aren't the two halves of the D congruent or no?
No, and diagonals don't cut it in half. That's only for
Rectangle. No?
Rhombus.
Rhombus.
That's what I said!
You guys are making me nervous. So,
George, it
this
was
is smart,
George.
by the way. Know your properties. Alright. We know, by the way, why did I choose these two? Why do you think I chose them?
Then they should have decided.
Alternate interior angles. If they're alternate interior angles, then you can tell me if the alternate interior angles are congruent, and those lines are
Sub. No.
Wait, how do you know they're alternate
the
interior
lines are
angles?
parallel by the converse of alternate interior angles. Correct? Remember that?
Wait, how do you know they're alternate interior angles?
Did you like close them or no?
Because they're inside of the square and they're alternate of the
If
diagonal.
alternate interior angles are congruent, then
Or
the lines are
parallelogram.
parallel by the converse. If the lines are parallel,
What converse is this?
the converse of alternate interior angle. Okay? So the next step, what I'm saying, like I said, this is one of those problems. This is harder because you're going the converse. When you do a converse one, it's a little bit more difficult.
Are you
Like
gonna
you
give
go,
us converse?
I'm gonna give you the next one. I'm gonna try the one with the rhombus, but not the converse one. Okay? Do I expect you to know it for your final? Yes. All right. So angle ABD is congruent to angle CDB, and that is because of CPCTC. Okay? Then if they are congruent, all right, then I know that AB is parallel to DC. Because of the converse. The whole reason why you're getting a proof tomorrow is I want to see where your logic lies. I wanted to know how much you actually know, and if you can come up with the fact that the diagonal was there, if you can get up to here, then you're pretty much, you're gonna get 4 out of 5 points. Am I expecting you to know this? Yes, that'll give you the extra point. Those who know it will get the extra point. If you don't know it, it's not going to hurt you, but at the end of the day, that will give you this is the difference between a 95 and a 100. Alright?
Listeners, for
95 is still pretty good.
Can we draw the figure in?
Yeah, once you find the
No,
midpoint, put it in the figure that
I
you drew
know.
here, and then
Oh,
find
I'm
the
pretty
next
right.
figure.
Oh,
You can label it
Oh, me too.
W, X, Y, Z.
I didn't know it was
One.
W X Y Z.
Yeah, label it W, X, Y, Z.
That's it?
Without him, without him.
That's